A very good morning to all the wise men gathered here. It gives me immense pleasure for getting selected to talk on a better neighborhood and a brighter future. A quote by Philip Arnold clearly says, "Love, peace, joy and harmony are the best vitamins in the universe." Just imagine a situation wherein you are the only living creature in the entire universe. Oh no, it's really horrible to imagine even. God created us with crowd, herd, flock, etc. to enjoy the pleasure of living in harmony. Harmony makes small things grow. Lack of it makes big things decay. This is exactly the same one which is missing in our present day life. How many of us can give a complete description about our neighbors? Do we really know who they are at least? Our ancestors created a great role model for living in harmony. They know very well that we can stand up in life only when we are united. What's preventing us in this present day scenario to live in harmony? Is it lack of time? No, not at all. It's definitely only the three-letter word EGO, ego. Why don't we take a pledge to change this ego as easygoing? Doing simple things in day-to-day life will bring harmony in an unexpected way. A simple smile, few caring words, a helping hand, a caring heart, avoiding jealousy. We are not going to lose anything just by showing our care and affection. Coming on to my next topic of concern. A better environment for a brighter future. A simple logic is, if we nurture the nature today, we will have a better future tomorrow. We are standing on the verge of our lives. Saving our environment is the ultimate end game. Invest in plants rather than life insurance plans. Let's bring a change in ourselves before it's too late. Avoid plastics. Plant more trees. Conserve water. Avoid polluting air, land and water. Save some green and blue before your future generation makes everything in black. What's good for our health? Is it pizza, ice creams, Netflix or new clothes? No, not at all. It's only a clean environment. The world cannot afford another pandemic. What do you want to pass on to your children? Clean that or mask from the day they are born on. A drop of water is more worth than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Don't cut the trees and keep the leaves in the museum. If you happen to cut the trees, your children will pay the fees for it. I conclude my speech saying, reduce, reuse and recycle. We still have time. Save our motherhood. Destiny is not created by the shoes we wear, but by the steps we take. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.